Everyone makes choices. Pretty simple. What you wear, what you want to eat, what you want to do in the day. So, with that, let's see why I chose my subject.
So I've reached this point in my life where I need to start thinking about what subjects I want to take. Well, I meant to do that last year, but I didn't count for marks, and now it does, so now I'm going to start thinking about it. Half of my subjects I didn't really get a say in picking whether or not I wanted them, but for the ones that I did pick, I picked them because, well, one, they're easy, two, they're fun, and three, a lot of them are useful. But with these subjects, when I have most of them, I can more or less do any job. Now the subjects in question I have are these, but what I actually need is just this. But with just these subjects, I can go do almost anything. I can't become a doctor because I don't have biology, but I don't really care about that. I don't need to become a doctor. I don't want to be in debt. So now there's the question, with these subjects, what could I possibly want to do that is fun, cheap, easy, and pays a lot? Engineering, more or less. But with engineering, it's a bit different than regular jobs. They have things called discipline, which is basically the little subsections of every form of engineering, although they want to be special about it. So mainly some of the engineering disciplines you get include mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, chemical engineering, biomedical engineering, which we're not doing because I don't want to become a doctor, aerospace engineering, computer engineering, structural engineering, mining engineering, marine engineering, still need biology for that, so that's a no-go, nuclear engineering, mechanics, aeronautics, and engineering management. Is that it? That's it, that's more or less it, that's like the basics, but yeah, that's it. That's right? Yeah. Yeah, okay, thanks. So yeah, I have these engineering disciplines. So yeah, this is more or less the types of engineerings I want to do. And with that being said, so within engineering, there are four main disciplines that everyone uses. Mechanical, which focuses on improving quality of life for people, namely in the medical sector. So you don't need biology because you just design it. It's the doctor's problems to make it work. So let's say a person is disabled or they can't function properly, then mechanical engineering comes along, builds something for them, and makes their life better. So mechanical engineering focuses on improving the lives of people when they need it the most. Then we have chemical engineering, which sort of is like mechanical engineering, except it goes far, far out. Where mechanical engineering is only limited to improving the lives of people, chemical engineering wants to improve the lives of everything, or wants to improve everything in simple. If the water is dirty in a country, or people don't have right clothing, or the clothing hurts them or injures them, chemical engineering comes along and fixes it all. So chemical engineering is sort of like the holy grail here. It's called a universal engineering because it fixes all. It's the do all, solve all to everything. And then we have electrical engineering, two parts, mainstream and light stream. Within mainstream, it's anything that's bigger than you, otherwise known as heavy machinery. So that's mainstream. It makes difficult tasks easier. Light stream is the exact same, except it's anything smaller than you. It takes difficult tasks that we can't do because we're too big and makes it easier, makes it bigger for us to interact with and use to make it easier to work with. Then we have software developing or engineering. That goes hand in hand with electrical engineering because electrical engineering just stays as a paperweight without software. Now, software is used to make everything function. All forms of engineering can't work unless software engineering is implemented into them. Simply put, software engineering and chemical engineering are the only things that engineers need to solve any problem. That was 4 days ago. It is currently 10 past 7 on May the 31st. I'm tired. I've done my video. This was summary. Why I chose the subjects. They're fun, they're useful, they're easy. They give me good career options, and those careers have large impact on the world. This is a good video. I've done enough for the video. And well, this is it.
It's a fine grind, clearing out my cash line, speeding up my RAM time, coordinated